stupid old car doesn't put a great big smile on my face. Good grief. Holy, there's the boys in blue. Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. So, big day today. I get to break the Fox out of hibernation. Spring has sprung in the Great White North, and I'm in a good position to take her out and fire her up. So, what I'm going to be doing today is running you through my de-winterization process. Now, this year's a little different. Typically, I've just got it sitting on the floor, but because I've been working on this truck, for those of you that have seen some of my LS videos, I do this stuff on the side, but I needed as much room as I could get to work on this thing. So I've got the Fox sitting on casters right now and sort of tucked over and against the wall. So I got to get it off those. But I'm going to be doing an oil change, checking all my fluids, charge the battery, hook her up, and then the ultimate fire up after a long winter. Well, it's been parked since November, so true blue cold start. Anyway guys, so stick around and I will run you through the process as to how I go about doing all this. We're off the wall, the back's on the ground. I still got the front on casters, but I'm gonna be lifting the car up to get under there and do my oil change anyway. But not a lot of dust, but a little bit, more than I expected actually with the cover on. So gonna be putting the battery charger on here, guys, and then we'll get underneath and get after this oil change. All right guys, so before we get this oil changed out and out of the car, I was gonna fire it up, just circulate the old stuff through, warm it up, get some lubrication going through the motor. So I have connected my battery. So let's jump in her and give her the first fire of the year here. Get my garage door going. Get you guys in here with me. Okay, old girl, turn you guys around here. Here we go. Alright, we're obviously a little light on coolant. Other than that, she's alive. So just let it warm up here. We're going to shut down and drop the oil out of it. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the rear plug here. Just let this drain out, and then we'll move to the front plug here. So while you're down here, guys, I always like to just inspect everything, right? See if you got any sneaky leaks. That have popped up. I'm looking pretty good. Check your rear main seal right. That's a common issue with these small block Fords. Got a video on that if you're interested. How to install a seal saver. Okay, front plug. This one's always the messy of the two. Don't over tighten your plugs either, guys. Now, depending on how OCD you are, like myself, you might not want to get on any oil on anything, which I never do, because I hate dirt and oil. So, oh, look at that. Well, we got a little cleanup to do here. Alright guys, all cleaned up. I think I jinxed myself there talking to you about not spilling anything. Anyway, yeah, throw your new filter on. I think everybody knows this, but lube up the rubber gasket on your filter. Clean the surface. Screw your new filter back on. Snug is good. Doesn't need to be farmer tight. Let's head up top and load her up with oil. Real quick guys, before we load up the motor here with oil, if you're wondering what kind of fluid I'm running in it, so this is it here. It's a Canadian company by the name of Boss Lubricants, and I run their 530 full synthetic. I buy this stuff in bulk. I get 12 quarts of it for $4.99 a quart. It's very, very economical. These guys aren't paying me to say this either. I just thought more people should know about it because of the bang for your buck. Really good outfit. I mean, I buy their oil for my pickup. I drive a GMC Duramax daily, and their 540 full synthetic I can buy for cheaper than the no-name brand oil at your local parts store for full synthetic. It's just too good to be true almost. So I keep waiting for the ball to drop every time I order it. I figure they're gonna go like, yeah, guess what, the price is double now. But anyway, they haven't yet. So not sure about you guys down in the States. If you can find it or look it up, maybe they distribute down there, I'm not sure. But anyway, for all you Canadian viewers out there, that's the stuff I run. Really good stuff. That's what we're gonna be putting in the Fox. All right guys, we're all filled up. Just gonna fire it up, get some oil pressure in it, check for leaks, and then we'll go out for a rip. I'll set you down here. oil pressure. Just gonna roll around underneath, check for leaks. I didn't show you guys this, but I topped up my coolant. Relatively simple task. Check the brake fluid, check the power steering fluid. Pretty much any sort of liquid substance, right? Just make sure that you're good to go. But yeah, I'm gonna roll underneath here, have a quick check, and then we'll jump in or we'll take it for a run. Let's do this. Sorry, it's a bit of a low light situation here. The sun just went down. But we'll try and sneak a quick cruise in. Okay. Oh, it feels good to be back behind the wheel, this old girl. Missed it. You know, I think I mentioned this in a video previously, but just these cars, they have a scent. I mean, I know scents can sometimes be awful, but I don't know. I find the scent to this car, and it's always smelled the exact same since the day I got it. Just a mix of fuel and whatever else is in it, but I know a lot of my buddies say the same thing about their Foxes. They said it's got a scent and obviously a sound, right? Yeah, just feels good. Okay. Some Canadian geese on the golf course. Let's see if we can wake them up a bit. Well, the old girl still got some jump in her. Jeez, I miss that sound. Oh, I got goosebumps. How crazy is that? It's a bloody car. Anyway, I hope you guys are all getting your Foxes out soon too. I hope this isn't, I don't want it to serve as a bit of a rub in the face. Like I mentioned earlier, we got springs upon us. The streets are being swept. Holy, there's the boys in blue. We're clear, I think. Woo! Good thing we didn't leave 2 minutes earlier. They would have seen me scaring the geese. Yeah, so streets are being swept. I mean, spring's upon us. It's great. This is, I should say, I mean, this is in and around the time we do get our cars out, but yeah, spring hit kind of fast here, and here we are, getting a chance to get out our Stangs. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get back to enjoying my drive, so thanks very much for watching. As always, please feel free, hit me up. Questions and comments are always welcomed. I always look forward to chatting with you guys down in the comments section. Every time I release a video, I'm like, right on, here we go again. Get to chat with everybody. But yeah, if you like the video, guys, please share it. You know, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to put a video out a week. Seems to be in and around the Tuesday mark that is where my days are lining up, so watch out for that. And yeah, if you like it, I'll keep them coming. So thanks, guys. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.